How to log into Frontier Airlines Frontier Miles account. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus 60. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open booking.flyfrontier.com/frontiermiles/profile, which will lead you to this profile. Here, if you don't have an account, click on Not a Member and sign up today at the bottom. And you can add your information and create an account. But if you already have an account, to log in, add your email address. After you've added your email address, simply add password. After you add your password, press on login at the bottom. After you press on login at the bottom, you're good to go. You're logged into your account. And this is how to log in to Frontier Airlines Frontier Miles account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.